Hello everyone. The organizers of the upcoming tribute to Women's Music Festival have dropped singer Khumalo, who was meant to share the stage with others in Johannesburg next week. In a statement published on Monday, organizers of the festival said they had observed various comments on social media calling for Khumalo to not perform at the event scheduled to take place on 12 August at the Emmarentia Dam. The show will feature Kabza Small, Amanda Black, Papi Cooper, and Vusinova, among others. The statement further said, "We respect the legal processes and wish to indicate that Ms. Khumalo is innocent until proven otherwise. However, in the interest of safeguarding our festival, management has taken the decision to relieve Ms. Khumalo of her obligations to perform at our festival this year to afford her and her team the time they require to deal with the issues emanating from the current court proceedings." People have reacted on the news, and one said on Twitter, "They should have done this 9 years ago." And another one said, "Wonderful, others must do the same." Another update about advocate Malisela Teffo. The police have confirmed that on Tuesday afternoon, Teffo was arrested and taken to the Pretoria Central Police Station. Police spokesperson Dimakadzo Nibuhuli said police can confirm that a 53-year-old man has been arrested on charges of fraud, assault, malicious damage to property, and trespassing. The suspect is expected to appear before Pretoria Magistrates Court on 3 August 2023. In May, Teffo was banned from attending Maywa trial. He was also struck from the role of advocate in September 2022 due to the unethical and dishonest practices. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.